Assalamu alaikum. This is Talk to Farina Najam from Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lower Mall Campus, Lahore. The course title is Portrait Painting and the course code is 53124. Our topic is about surreal approaches. This is a practical topic. Dear students, I would like to explain about this topic. Surrealism. Surrealism literally means above and beyond reality. Surrealism means superrealism. It sought to free the imaginative human mind and reveal the unconscious, encouraging and rejection to logic and reasoning. Surrealism was an artistic and literary movement that emerged in reaction to the horrors of World War I. Artists responded to the horrors of war by challenging the prevalent norms of society and its values. With the spirit of idealism, artists and writers shared a belief that they could change the world by freeing the unconscious mind from rational thought. In 1924, the French poet André Breton founded the first official Surrealist group in Paris. It was comprised of gifted writers and poets. Later, visual artists joined the movement. They practiced automatic techniques, writing, speaking, and making art without thinking about what they were creating, allowing images and ideas to flow freely from their imagination. Often they then work back into a painting to pull out fantastic imagery. Sigmund Freud had significant influence on the beliefs and practices of the Surrealists. He believed that our subconscious thoughts are symbolically represented in our dreams and fully understand ourselves. We need to tap into these dreams and messages. Artists, writers, and poets were inspired to explore the conscious and subconscious mind. Surrealism Concepts. Distorted objects, cooler colors, real objects, abstruse context, dreams with reality, unconscious, Sigmund Freud. Characteristics. No specific guidelines due to subconscious, dream-like qualities, realistic but irrational imagery, hidden images, distorted images, can be abstract, double images, juxtaposition. Form of Surrealism. Automatism and veristic Surrealism. automatic way in which the images of subconscious reach the conscious. In automatism, abstract artistic form, used organic scribbles, images give off a dream-like feeling, more focused on feeling than full of meaning. Greatly influenced by Sigmund Freud theories. Most important painters of automatism were John Miro and Andre Masson. Veristic surrealism portray the dream world with rich detail. Allow the subconscious to surface in order to interpret meaning. Closer to reality, hold some truth. Son of Man. Surrealistic painting. Surrealistic art often shows wide, dream-like subject matter because surrealistic artists were interested in depicting the world of dreams, nightmares, desire, and imagination. Mae West. Mae West Face was designed by Dali as an apartment where West lives are as sofa eyes are as paintings. Hair is as curtain. This is a famous work by him. Another example. Portrait in surrealistic style. Another example. Thanks.